Hello, welcome back once again. In our today's video, we're going to solve for the value of x in the following given exponential equation. So we have 6 to the power of x is equal to 18. So here we're going to solve for x. Do you think x can be an integer? Let us find out. We know that 6 to the power of 0 is equal to 1. 6 to the power of 1 is equal to 6. 6 to the power of 2 is equal to 36. Now we can see that clearly this 6 right over here is less than 18, and this 36 is greater than 18. So which means that 1 is less than x and x is less than 2. So x cannot be an integer, right? So now let us solve this problem. And how do we solve this problem? Now we're going to make use of logarithm, right? So let us natural log both sides. So the ln of the left hand side will be equal to the ln of the right hand side. Now with the property of logarithm, we know this power will come down here, right? So that will become x times the natural log of 6. This will be equal to the natural log of, we know 18 is same as 6 multiplied by 3, right? Okay. So from the left hand side, we have now x times the natural log of 6. So this will be equal to, let us record this property. We will know that the natural log of a times b is equal to the natural log of a plus the natural log of b. And here we have a product of 6 and 3, right? So this will be equal to the natural log of 6 plus the natural log of 3. Okay, now in our next step, let us divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which is the natural log of 6. So divide here by the natural log of 6 and divide the right hand side by the natural log of 6. Now in our next step, we know that this 6 will cancel 6 from here, right? Okay, so here we're left with x. This is equal to, now let us split this denominator. So get the natural log of 6 divided by the natural log of 6, then plus the natural log of 3 divided by the natural log of 6. So here we get x is equal to, this here we divide to 1, then plus, now for this part right over here, let us apply this property. We know the natural log of a divided by the natural log of b. This is equal to the log of a to the base b. So here we have natural log of 3 divided by natural log of 6, which can be rewritten as the log of 3 to the base 6. And here we get the right answer. So x is equal to 1 plus log of 3 to the base 6. Now let us cross-check our answer and know whether our answer is right. Okay? So remember, our original equation is 6 to the power of x, and this gives us 18. Now we're going to plug in the value for x at the left hand side to see if that will give us 18. So now let us cross-check. Okay, now cross-checking, we have to evaluate 6 to the power of 1 plus the log of 3 to the base 6. So this will be equal to, now let us record this. We know this property, a to the power of m plus n is equal to a to the power of m multiplied by a to the power of n. So here this will be equal to 6 to the power of 1 multiplied by 6 to the power of log of 3 to the base 6. So this will be equal to 6 to the power of 1, we just have 6, multiplied by, okay, now for this part here, let us make use of this property. We know that a to the power of log x to the base a, this is equal to x. So this is a well-known property of logarithm and exponents, right? So you can see that this base here is the same with the base of the logarithm. So therefore this evaluates to x. So here we can see that this 6, which is the main base here, is also equal with the base of the logarithm. So that will evaluate to 3. And from here we get 6 times 3, which is equal to 18. And now we can see that our answer is verified. Thank you for watching. Please kindly subscribe to this channel. We have original channel. The main channel here is the Chidex online math class, but this one is our second channel, right? So just kindly subscribe. Please subscribe. You can like, comment, and share with your friends. Thank you. Bye bye.